Dreame H14 Pro versus Tineco Floor 1 S7 Pro. For me, one of these is built around a single feature that actually changes how you clean your house, and the other is the safer, more predictable pick. The gap shows up the moment you push it under a couch. If you've got low furniture, baseboards, and tight corners that bug you every day, one of these fits. If you just want a reliable wet dry that won't smell or streak, the other makes more sense. Both linked below. How do they actually clean? Both pull double duty as vacuum and mop in one pass, and on normal hard floor messes, both leave the floor visibly cleaner with no streaks. That part is settled. Where they split is on the harder stuff. The Dreame H14 Pro has stronger suction and hot water washing baked into the cleaning itself, so sticky messes like dried coffee, yogurt, or a muddy paw trail tend to give way in 1 or 2 passes. There's an opinion floating around from someone with a busy household that called out exactly that: dried kitchen spills handled in a single pass, and it tracks with what the design promises. The Tineco Floor 1 S7 Pro cleans well too, especially on everyday dirt and lighter spills, and its smart sensor adjusting suction and water on the fly is genuinely useful.
But on heavier pet hair loads or chunkier debris, the consistent feedback is that you're better off doing a quick dry vacuum first. For raw cleaning power on tough messes, the Dreame is a step ahead. For light to moderate daily upkeep, they're closer than the spec sheets suggest. Now, the part most people underestimate until they're 3 weeks in: self-cleaning, drying, odor control. This is where these machines either earn their keep or end up in a closet smelling like a wet dog. The Dreame washes the roller with hot water at 140 degrees and then thermal dries it. That combo matters. Hot water actually breaks down the gunk, and the heated drying is what keeps the brush from going funky overnight. The Tineco uses a centrifugal drying process. No heat, just spinning the water out. It works, and reviews back that up, but it leans harder on you remembering to empty the dirty tank right after each use. There's a review I came across where someone with the S7 Pro for months said the roller stayed odor-free, and the catch was always the same: pull the roller, let it air, dump the tank. If you're the kind who'll forget that step on a Tuesday night, the Dreame's heated dry gives you more margin. If you're disciplined about post-clean maintenance, the Tineco holds up just fine.
Where these two really split is under the couch. The Dreame 180-degree lie flat is not just marketing. It actually drops the body to the floor, so the head can slide under low sofas, beds, and kitchen toe kicks without you moving furniture. If your daily annoyance is the dust line under the couch, this feature alone changes the routine. The S7 Pro does not lay flat. It tilts back, but you'll still be dragging out chairs and crouching for the low stuff. On edges though, the Tineco fights back. Its dual-sided edge cleaning gets within roughly a centimeter of the wall on both sides of the roller, which is genuinely impressive along baseboards and cabinet kicks. The Dreame is good on edges too, but mostly on one side, and there's still a small gap right at the wall. Both have self-propelled wheels and feel light to push, so here's the real trade-off. Under furniture, Dreame wins clean. Tight to the baseboard on both sides, Tineco wins. Pick the one that matches the floor plan that frustrates you most. On runtime, both land around 40 minutes per charge, which covers most single-floor homes on one fill and one charge. Larger homes or max mode use will push you to a refill. Recharge is the slower part for both, around 4 to 5 hours, so neither is a quick top-up machine. Price and value. Both sit in a similar range for premium wet-dry vacuums, with the Tineco usually landing a touch lower and the Dreame leaning a bit higher. The Dreame is paying for the lie-flat mechanism, hot water wash, and heated drying. The Tineco is paying for refined edge cleaning, the smart sensor system, and a build quality people consistently call out as solid. On discounts, the Tineco shows up more often on sale events, while the Dreame holds its price more steadily but does drop during big Amazon windows. Neither feels overpriced for what it does. The question is just which set of features you're actually paying for.
Here's the call. The Dreame H14 Pro. For most homes with low furniture and daily messes, the lie flat plus hot wash and heated dry is what actually changes the routine, and it handles the tough stuff in fewer passes. No fluff? That's the one. If your daily annoyance is baseboards and tight edges on both sides, the Tineco Floor 1 S7 Pro wins that fight cleanly. And if you're disciplined about pulling the roller and dumping the tank after every clean, the Tineco holds up just fine for less. The Tineco shows up more often on sale events, so worth waiting for a drop. And you, which one would you pick? Let me know in the comments. Both linked below.